If you're a man over 60 and tired of feeling worn out before the day even starts, you are not alone. If the fire inside feels like it's slowly dimming, this might be the wake-up call you've been waiting for. Because the truth is, your fatigue, low drive, and lack of stamina may have little to do with age, and everything to do with what you're missing on your plate. What if 3 humble vegetables could help you regain energy, sharpen your focus, and revive the part of you that refuses to fade with time? That's what we're uncovering today. These aren't exotic, hard-to-find ingredients. They're everyday foods you've probably passed by in the grocery store without a second thought. But used right, they could help reignite your strength, restore your vitality, and help you feel like yourself again. Number 1, the circulation champion. Beets. Beets are more than just colorful root vegetables. They're one of the richest natural sources of dietary nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. This powerful compound opens blood vessels, improves blood flow, and energizes the entire cardiovascular system. For men over 60, that means stronger circulation, lower blood pressure, and yes, improved performance and endurance. Add half a cup of cooked beets to your lunch, or sip a small glass of beetroot juice in the morning. Within a few days, many men report clearer thinking, improved stamina, and even a return of confidence in the bedroom. Number 2, the hormonal helper, spinach. This leafy green isn't just good for your bones and muscles. Spinach is packed with magnesium and folate, 2 nutrients vital for supporting healthy testosterone levels and nervous system function. After 60, testosterone levels naturally decline, leading to low motivation, fatigue, and mood changes. But spinach helps free up bound testosterone in the body, making more of it available for energy, clarity, and emotional steadiness. Whether it's sautéed into your eggs or blended into a smoothie, a daily dose of spinach can help restore the spark that time tried to dim. Number 3, the endurance engine, sweet potatoes. Many men are told to cut carbs to stay healthy, but what your body really needs is smart fuel. Sweet potatoes provide slow-burning carbohydrates packed with fiber and essential minerals like potassium and manganese. These nutrients help regulate blood sugar, prevent energy crashes, and keep your body fueled throughout the day. Instead of skipping carbs, try eating half a roasted sweet potato at dinner. You may notice fewer afternoon slumps and better rest at night. Sweet potatoes help you feel steady, focused, and physically ready to take on the day. And here's where things get powerful. When you bring these 3 together in a daily rhythm, you create a system that supports your body from morning to night. It's called the vegetable protocol. Start your day with a glass of beetroot juice or half a cup of beets to jumpstart circulation. Add spinach to your lunch for hormonal balance and vitality. End your day with sweet potatoes to fuel steady energy and restful sleep. You don't need pills or extreme diets. You just need consistency, real food, and a plan that works with your biology, not against it. This isn't about chasing youth. It's about honoring the man you still are. The man who still has strength to give, love to share, and purpose to live. Your body hasn't forgotten what strength feels like. It just needs the right nourishment to remember. If you've been told that decline is inevitable, let this message serve as proof that a better path exists. Strong circulation, balanced hormones, and steady energy are all within reach. All it takes is a decision to start. So here's your first step. Pick one of these vegetables and add it to your plate today. Tomorrow add another. Before the week is out, you may feel the difference. And the longer you continue, the more powerful the results. You're not too old to reclaim your vitality. In fact, this might be the perfect time to rise again, stronger and more grounded than ever before. If this message resonates with you, share it with someone else who needs it. Let's build a community of men who choose health, purpose, and strength, one plate at a time.